How to use Nintendo Switch Online Expansion. To access your Nintendo Switch's Online Plus expansion pack, first of all locate your subscription benefits. Turn on your Nintendo Switch, select the bright red Nintendo Switch Online icon on the bottom dashboard. Then move to the expansion pack menu item on the left-hand sidebar to see a full list of active perks. You should be able to find the Retro Classics options where you can download any retro games from Nintendo 64, Game Boy Advance, and Sega Genesis eras. You can access these games by opening your Nintendo eShop from your home screen. You simply have to search for Nintendo 64, Game Boy Advance, or Sega Mega Drive, and you should be able to select the application from the search results and enjoy the free downloaded games. You can also activate free expansion and DLCs for Mario Kart, Animal Crossing, and so on. You can claim them by simply opening the Nintendo eShop and searching for a specific DLC title. You can also clear and manage your Save Data Cloud. You simply have to press the plus button on your Joy-Con and then select the Save Data Cloud from the pop-up menu and ensure autosave data backup is turned on. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.